In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover items from trash in ClickUp. ClickUp is a powerful productivity platform that helps teams and individuals manage tasks, projects, and workflows all in one place. Like any robust tool, ClickUp includes a trash feature where deleted items are temporarily stored. This is incredibly useful if you ever delete something by accident or need to recover an item that was removed. Today, I'll guide you step by step through the process of restoring items from the trash in ClickUp. So let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to www.clickup.com. Once you're on the homepage, sign into your ClickUp account. You can log in using your email address or a connected provider like Google or Microsoft, whichever method you typically use to access your account. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see either your profile avatar or your name displayed there. Click on that profile avatar or your name, and this will open up your account menu. From this drop-down menu, select the option that says Settings. This action will take you to the settings area of your ClickUp account. Now, focus your attention on the left-hand sidebar. This sidebar contains various options for customizing and managing your account. If you don't immediately see what you're looking for, don't worry. You might need to scroll down slightly. Once you've located the trash option in the sidebar, click on it. This will bring you to the trash view, where all recently deleted items from your account are stored. Take a moment to scan through the list of items in the trash and find the one you want to recover. When you've located the specific item you'd like to restore, look to the right-hand side of that item's row. You'll see a small menu icon that looks like 3 dots stacked vertically. Click on this 3-dot menu to open additional options. From the menu that appears, select Restore. This will return the item to its original location within your workspace exactly as it was before it was deleted. If you're not sure where the item will go, don't worry. It will automatically be placed back where it belongs. If you're having trouble finding a particular item in the trash, use the search or sorting options available in the trash view. These tools allow you to quickly locate items based on specific criteria, saving you time and effort. Finally, if you don't see the trash option in your settings or you're unable to restore an item due to permission restrictions, you may need to contact an admin or the account owner. They have the ability to adjust permissions or recover items on your behalf. And that's it. If you're new to ClickUp and don't yet have an account, you'll find a registration link in the description below. Feel free to use it and get started with this versatile platform. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.